In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and email a cash flow report in Xero. Before we begin, make sure you have access to the correct Xero organization and the permissions to view reports. Start by logging into Xero using your usual secure sign-in. If you use two-step authentication, complete that as normal to keep your account protected. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and click Reporting. This is where Xero organizes all your financial reports. From there, look for Cash Flow Manager. Select it to open your cash flow dashboard. This area gives you a clear snapshot of money coming in and going out, helping you understand your liquidity over a chosen period. For the most accurate view, it helps if your bank feeds are up to date and your transactions are reconciled. Take a moment to review the cash flow overview carefully. Check the date range and make sure it covers the period you want to share. Look at the inflows and outflows and scan for any unusual spikes or gaps that might need explanation. If filters or display options are available, adjust them so the report reflects exactly what you intend to send. This quick review reduces back and forth later and ensures your audience gets a clear, relevant picture. When everything looks right, click Export. You'll see a few options for getting the report out of Xero. Choose Email. Xero will prepare the report to be sent directly from the platform, which helps maintain formatting and saves you from downloading and reattaching files manually. Next, enter the recipient's email address. Type it carefully and double-check for typos. Accuracy here is key. If your workflow allows multiple recipients, you can add them as needed, but keep your list to those who truly need the information. Now review the cash flow report details one more time before sending. Confirm the reporting period, the organization name, and the format of the attachment. If there's a subject line or message field, keep the subject clear and concise, and add a brief note explaining what's included and why you're sending it. This context helps the recipient understand the report at a glance. When you're satisfied, click Send. Xero will confirm that your email is on its way. It's a good idea to note the time you sent it, and, if required by your internal processes, save a copy of the report or document the action in your records. And that's it. You've logged in, navigated to Reporting, selected Cash Flow Manager, reviewed the overview, exported via email, entered the recipient, confirmed the details, and sent the report. Efficient, accurate, and professional.